Hello and welcome everybody to Danny's Diecast. I'm Danny and it's 9:44 a.m. right now. It's 9:44 a.m. and I wanted to bring you over to show you this. Oh, wow. How's everybody doing today? It's Danny's Diecast and I wanted to take a sip of my wonderful coffee. Oh, goodness. Oh. And then I'll show you guys these. This is the Greenlight, and this is Greenlight, this is Greenlight, and this is Auto World. Fresh trucks right off the interstate. Fresh trucks, and I wanted to show you guys these. This right here. Now I wanted you guys to know that, first of all, I don't really collect trucks. I mostly collect cars and stuff from the 1968s on up, I collect. This is what I'm doing here. But this is the Michelin. It's the 2019 Mac Anthem 18-wheeler from Greenlight. You can see this is a metal body, plastic base, but it's not very much plastic. It is very, very heavy. And I wanted to tell you guys this is all 1/64th scale. 1/64th scale. Now these are the few trucks that I have that are actually trucks, and they I wouldn't really consider them. I mean, they are 18-wheel trucks. And I just wanted to show you guys this. It's the Michelin, and on the back, wow. This is the Michelin truck carrying all the orders, everything that Michelin wants to sell. They're bringing it right around and right to everybody. That is amazing. This, of course, is and these all have rubber tires, and just very, very clean, very clean. And it says Michelin right on the side. Now let me just think if I can turn this around here. Let me move this guy right over here. And let's bring him out in front. That is and of course you can see right up here, it has the MACK Truck right there. That is Mac. And I just wanted to show you guys, you can see full mirror deco. Look at this. Inside and out. And that is the Michelin. This, like I said, guys, is very, very heavy. It is just, what a monstrous masterpiece of a truck. What a monstrous masterpiece. Wow. This next truck that I want to bring in here for you guys. And don't forget, guys, these are one of 5 Mack trucks that I have, and Mack Trucks, and one of 5. I have 2 more upstairs in my corner cupboard, which I got them out, I'd say about 2 years ago. I got them out. But this is the Mack Truck, the 2018 Mac Anthem with trailer, metal body, plastic base, but a very sturdy plastic base. You can see, look at right up on here, look at that. That is the Mack Truck emblem. And of course, these are all 1/64th scale. All rubber tires on here. This is all rubber tires. And you can see, I'll flip the truck over. And look at that. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 for the great grand total of 18 wheels on this truck. And you can look down here. This is all plastic. That is all plastic. Now, I am just going to reach in here and grab my coffee. Because I just woke up and I wanted to know, how are you guys doing? How's everybody out there doing? How's Gary's Diecast doing? How's Ron doing? How's everybody out there? How's Diecastrum doing? I wanted to know how you guys are doing, how everything is shaping out for you in the diecast land, and I just wonder about you guys. And I always want you guys, of course, to like and subscribe to my channel, but I'm just out here just wondering what you're doing and how it's going, how you have found the diecast over the past couple weeks. Now, I'm going to be going out today. I'm going to be going out and looking. I'm going to be going right up here, which you can't really see it, but right up here is a Dollar General. I'm going to be going up there and checking cars today, just looking at cars. That's what I'm going to be doing today. And that is a giant Mack truck, a 2018. And you can see right up here, right up on the Mac emblem, right there in the front. And now this is a little bit, this is supposed to be, it's supposed to be, like a massive, but this is not very massive. This it's all 1/18 or 1/64 scale. Don't get me wrong, it's all 1/64 scale. But this is the Auto World. It's the Auto World John Force Racing. You can see, I'm going to get this down right here. I'm going to show you the box from Auto World. And those, of course, are from Greenlight. That's from Greenlight. But this is Auto World. Now, I must tell you guys that this is not, it's to scale. It's 1/64 scale. However, this is plastic. This is mostly plastic. And I got these about a month ago, and I was really unfortunately looking forward to this, but it just, it came out, and the plastic models came out right on scale, but this is all plastic. You can see this. That is plastic. But it is an Auto World, and that's why I got the Auto World. The John Force Auto World collection right there from Auto World, John Force Racing. And he has his lowered, the van, or the truck is lowered. It is ready to go. You can see this is plastic body, plastic base. Now, they are rubber tires. They are rubber tires on there. I just wanted to tell you that. But it's all the rest of it is plastic. And I didn't really, I wanted to get like these, because they are very, very heavy. They are just very heavy. And this is all plastic, but what can you say? What can I say about the plastic truck? Because this is, it's 1/64 scale, but it's all plastic. This is metal. It's heavy metal. And I don't like saying heavy metal, but that's what that is. And that's what this is right here. But that's the John Force Racing by Auto World, and this is the Michelin Truck and the MACK Truck by Greenlight. I want you guys to do me a favor. I want you guys to like and subscribe to Danny's Diecast. Find me on Instagram. Find me on Facebook. Check out the playlists. Check me out. Check out everybody's playlist. Check out Gary's playlist. Check out Ron's playlist. Check out Diecastrum's playlist. Check out everybody's playlist. And I love you guys. And I love Ronnie's Diecast. I love, I just love Diecast. And, and I'm sorry, guys, but I have to go. And this is Danny's Diecast. Oh, I need another sip. And I'll see you guys next time.